Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Okay, that's being rude. Chewing gum while doing a video. Okay, you guys, so in today's video I decided to do a Frozen themed inspired look. As you all know, Frozen came out I think like 2 weeks ago. Frozen 2. I didn't get to go see it because my man didn't want to take me to go see it. He said, I'll go, you can go and I'll pay for it. But you know, my chance was only to go during the weekend or a Monday because, you know, the rest days I'm working and stuff, and my friends are working too. So yeah, you guys, today is gonna be themed on Frozen 2. I'm gonna be doing like more like an Elsa type of inspired look today, and maybe the next day we're gonna do Anna. But this is gonna be like bluish and silver and all that good stuff. So you guys, if you are wanting to know or how I get this look, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so we have two palettes out today. You guys have already seen both of these palettes. This is the Morphe X James Charles palette, so we'll be using this one today, and we'll also be using the Morphe Live in Color palette, just because I love this Liberation color right here. That could be perfect for the middle, well, the crease. So before anything, we're gonna go ahead and do a transition color. The first one the first color we're gonna go in with is with this color right here. It's a nice, you know, little toned color. And you guys, yes, I already did have my face, so the only thing we have to do is eyes and finish the face a little bit at the end, and we will be done. I decided to start doing like foundation and contour, bronzer, all of that, so we wouldn't waste time, and just because you guys already know my routine. So alright, next color we're going to go into is with this next color right here, which is another little like transition color, but more like a brownish. Go ahead and set that right there where we just put that first color at. Alright, so next color we're gonna go in with is with a very light blue, which is called Art, and we're gonna go into Live in Color palette, and this is gonna be on top of that transition color we just did. We're gonna apply some of that, blend that out softly, and then we'll go into the next palette to add more of a darker blue. Probably won't show as much because it's a very, 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 very light blue, but it's there and you can see it, and I can see it. You just gotta, like, you know, really blend that color out. Alright, so next color we're going to go in with is we're going to go back into that James Charles palette, and we're going to go into this blue right here. And we're going to go ahead and blend that out on the middle crease and everywhere around the eye. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is we're just gonna leave this eye to the side and I'll just finish it. We're gonna grab some concealer and I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and we're gonna grab a flat brush and we're gonna conceal that lid. So I'm gonna make sure I take off some of whatever I have on here. Alright, so that's good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a sponge to set that. So now I'm gonna go back in with that little nice blue color and we're just gonna blend that. Ooh, I got some on my. Okay. Alright, so now next color I'm gonna go in with this little ooh, blue right here, shimmer shade, and we're gonna place that right there. And then we're gonna go in with that other palette and we're gonna go in with Liberation, and this is like a white little shimmer also, and this is gonna go in the inner corner. We'll go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I am back. I already have popped on some lashes. So what I'm going to do is try to make little snowflakes. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the color Milk. Alright, let me go ahead and do the other side and finish this video. probably a little more darker. There we go. Add some setting spray. And voila. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried my best. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And you guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.